stories, both the stories are equally true, even when they appear contradictory to us. This doesn't make a stumbling ground per se for a scientist or anyone. But often we scientists respond either by saying, this doesn't make sense, claiming no one understands it, or by framing theoretical views to hold the contradictions together. Very often, these very views further complicate the picture of reality, if not infinitely complicated. It is the vantage point of the observer that must be taken into account correctly when joining in different scientific information into a seamless whole. It is also extremely crucial to note that the context of observer here is different than what is perceived as scientifically, philosophically, or beyond. Gravity isn't exactly two bodies pulling on each other. Mass itself is a purveyor of gravity. The order of moving mass is fused not just with time dilation, Einstein's theory of special relativity, but also with sagging of space, also time dilation, Einstein's theory of general relativity, GR, from now on. The time dilation in the special relativity is due to relative moment. The time dilation in general relativity is due to mass density. That is how matter, movement, and time are blended together to form a space-time. Crystal clear and validated with ultra precision, GR loses its grip when we try to describe the nature of QM. Thoroughly validated from the precession of Mercury, the famed total solar eclipse of May 29, 1919, to currently recently stamped with ultra precision with the discovery of gravitational waves. GR is a rock-solid descriptor of nature. Mathematically complex, yet comprehensible, beautiful, structural, and one of the most relied upon theories in current physics. Another equally validated and relied upon theory is, you know it what? QM, where everything is a fuzz until observed. So if you don't want to get confused about either one of them, GR or QM, don't try to mix them together. But the thing is, the two theories are naturally mixed together in reality. It isn't that the quantum world is a realm of miniaturized particle physics. Quantum world is the actual world. The universe is quantum realm in its entirety as a whole. All of it, the whole of it. It is a soup of sizzling bubbles, materializing, annihilating, manifestations popping in and out of existence perpetually, all happening in conformity with the laws of physics. Quantum realm is a large whole-scale existence. GR, on the other hand, is only a part of that large existence. We just do not know how it is a part of it. When we try to bring GR into the fuzzy game of QM, we sort of infinitely hit an asymptotic backlash, meaning more we try, harder it gets to combine them. QM is structured on the pillar of observer and the observed, meaning either one of the probabilities realized or all probabilities realized in multiverse format. GR, on the other hand, is a smooth, continual framework. There is no chance for probability-based landscape. There is no room for this or that, or multitudes of space-time that some of the interpretations of QM suggest. However, and this is a big however, it is the correct context of observer, which is when taken into account with the description of QM, that we could not only resolve the difficulties we face in understanding of QM, such as a scenario of thermodynamic catastrophe, but we can also see how the smooth geometrical structure of GR comes to be a part of that very foamy matrix of QM. We need to rectify our understanding of QM in order to see how GR is assimilated in the same landscape. Again, as I have emphasized it over and over, it is the right context by which we can understand those very pointers or what GR extensions imply with regards to how reality works and evolves. GR is thoroughly validated, and the recent discovery of gravitational waves has stamped it to be a rock-solid indicator of nature. You probably would know the awe of the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Waves Observatory detecting gravitational waves that accounted to differentiating a subatomic level deflection. The GPS, the Global Positioning System, is our ultra high-tech asset that is a direct extension of general theory of relativity. Indeed, the advancements that this theory has unfolded is far, far more than what Einstein himself would have imagined. Now let us see what the extrapolations of GR formulation have shown us. Here is some of what comes out of it. The Big Bang, how universe is sprouted, the black hole, the allocation of space-time once initiated, things can only fall in and nothing of it ever returns, the texturization of white hole on the other side of black hole, from which things can only emerge and nothing can fall in, the wormhole, the singularities in black hole and indeed the mathematical ones, dark matter, dark energy, the gravitational waves, the interpretation that three-dimensional universe is a holographic projection coming from quantum mechanical views of black hole. Among these, the existence of black hole and the occurrence of gravitational waves have been experimentally validated. Indeed, each of these theories' premises is profound unfolding of its own, involving statures of Einstein, Hawking, Jacob Bekenstein, Carl Schwarzschild, Roger Penrose, Igor Novikov, Alan Guth, Edward Witten, Joanne Maldacena, and many more physicists and mathematicians no less significant. And as you would see, that more we find out about this drastic shift in our understanding of nature that curves and customizes to accommodate all the laws of physics, more we open ourselves to even bigger questions. Why Big Bang? What's before that? The question of the boundary of the universe. The conundrum of space-time singularities. This definitely seemed to be lack of our understanding. The actualization of wormhole, white hole, 3D projection, and so forth. All these questions set us up to even broader puzzle to solve. But as is the case with unifying GR and QM that we have discussed in the last video, It is the right context by which we might be able to conglomerate varied aspects of GR into a seamless whole. The right context of observer isn't just a crucial element in unifying GR and QM, but is also pivotal in grasping GR itself. And it is where we will find broader answers to the mysteries of the universe, including how we ourselves come to be part of the very same game.